Hello friends, in this example we are going to solve by using principle of superposition method. In this given example, a brass bar is given having cross sectional area 1000 mm square, having a modulus of elasticity as 1.05 into e raised to 5 Newton per mm square, and the number of forces are given, lengths are also given, and it is asked to calculate the total elongation. Okay, first we are going to check the beam is in equilibrium or not. Okay, the forces which are going towards left is equal to forces going towards right. Plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 80. 80 is equal to 80. Therefore, this beam is in equilibrium. Okay, now we can easily solve this by using principle of superposition method. First step is to calculate the free body diagram of this. First we are going to take this A line, the force which is going towards left, find another force which is going towards right. Okay, means we are going to take the forces which are going away from the surface. Here the value is 50, here the value is 80. Take the minimum of both. Take the minimum of both. Here 50 gets cancelled. The work of A is done. Now here 30 is remaining. We can write for our convenience. Now take another line. The force is towards the surface. Find another force which is towards the surface. This force is also towards the surface. The value is 20, here the value is 30. Take minimum of both two. Here the remaining is 10 now. Again take this line. The force is towards the surface. Find another force which is towards the surface. The value is 10, the remaining value is 10. Write it here. The length of for this section is 600 mm. Here 1 meter means 1000 mm. Here 1 plus 1.2 is 2.2 means 2.2 meter. Yes, means we can write it as 2200 mm. Now we can solve it for AB section, BC section and BD section. The next step is to calculate the change in deflection for each section. Change in deflection for each section. Change in deflection for AB section is nothing but PL by AE is equal to P is 50 kN into 10 raised to 3. L is 600 mm. Area is given as 1000. E is given as 1.05 into 10 raised to 5. We can calculate it in our calculator, which will give the answer of change in length for AB section 0.2857 mm. Now we are going to calculate the change in length for BC section, which is also nothing but PL by AE is equal to P is 20 kN, 20 into 10 raised to 3 into L is 1000. Area is given as 1000 and E is given as 1.05 into 10 raised to 5. We can calculate in our calc. The value of change in length for BC is given as 0.1904 mm. Okay, and similarly we can calculate the change in length for BD section. PL by AE is equal to P is given as 10 kilonewton, L is given as 2200 divided by area is given as 1000 and E is given as 1.05 into 10 raised to 5. By calculating this, we get the values of change in length for BD section, change in length for BD section, which is 2095, 0.2095 mm, and last step is to find the total elongation, which is nothing but change in length is equal to change in length for AB, change in length for BC and change in length for BD, and the values of this plus minus depends upon the nature of the force. This is tensile, this is comprehensive means negative sign, this is also compressive means negative sign. We can put the values 0.2857 minus 0.1904 minus 0.2095 and we can calculate the total change in length, which is equal to minus 0.1142 mm. This negative sign indicates the decrease in length. Thank you.